For this performance task, I will be discussing the declining balance method of depreciation. In this video, I will explain the core concept behind this method, dive into the key formula that makes it work, and then solve a sample problem from start to finish. So let's begin. So what is the declining balance method? In my own understanding, it's an accelerated depreciation method. This means that an asset loses more of its value in the early years of its life and less in the later years. This is different from straight line method, which will be a straight constant decline. This method is ideal for assets that are most productive when they are new and lose value rapidly, like vehicles or technology. Now, for a deeper understanding, let's look at the heart of this method, the formula. The main formula we use calculates the book value at any given year M. So, this is the formula. BVM equals FC times 1 minus K raised to M, where FC is the first cost or initial cost, K is the annual depreciation rate as a decimal, M is for the specific year or periods we are calculating for. The term 1 minus K represents the percentage of the value that remains each year. For example, if K is 20%, then 80% of the book value carries forward. Raising this to the power of M compounds this effect year after year, which is what creates that accelerating depreciation pattern. So, here is one of my sample problems. A company purchases a high-tech printing press for 800,000 pesos. The equipment has an estimated useful life of 8 years and a salvage value of 15% of its first cost. Using the declining balance method, DBM, calculate the total depreciation and book value after 4 years. The given data are the FC or the first cost, which is 800,000 pesos, and the useful life, which is 8 years, the salvage value, which is 0.15 times 800,000 pesos, which is equal to 120,000 pesos, and M, where the time point is after 4 years. Our main formula is BVM equals FC 1 minus K raised to M, but we don't have K yet. So, to find the depreciation rate K, we use the other formula, which is BVN equals FC 1 minus K raised to N, where the book value is equals to the salvage value 120,000 pesos. To find K, use the second formula provided in the previous slide. After plotting all the given values, 120,000 equals 800,000 times 1 minus K raised to 8. In order to find K, you may use an algebra solution. So, our K in this solution will be equal to 0.2111191615. Now that we have K, we can go back to our main formula to find the book value after 4 years. So, you just have to plot the given values to the formula, then you can have the book value of 309,838.67 pesos. Since the book value is now being solved, the depreciation will be solved too by simply the first cost minus the book value. DM equals FC minus BV4. So D4 equals 800,000 minus 309,838.67 is equal to 490,161.33, and that's our depreciation. And there you have it. We've successfully used the declining balance method to determine that after 4 years, the printing press has a book value of 309,838.67 pesos and has accumulated 490,161.33 pesos in total depreciation. To recap, the declining balance method is a powerful accelerated depreciation technique. The key is to first determine the rate K from the salvage value and useful life, and then use the formula BVM equals FC times 1 minus K raised to M to find the book value at. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation and walkthrough were helpful. This is Rana Victoria G. Lapis signing off.